So now it's time to introduce you to my song, Closer Than I Realized, a song I wrote some time back when I came to the realization that God has always been there for me. And when I felt like nobody was there at times, He had shown me that He always had me covered. So this song comes from my soul, comes from my heart. A very simple song. That's why I chose it. And we're able to use the keys that we use in the other courses, C for alto saxophone and F for tenor and soprano. So it gives us time to actually show you some of these new methods and revisit some of the old methods. So let's get to the melody of the song that I wrote. And it sounds like this. So that's the main melody. For tenor and soprano saxophone players, we start on our third note. So you're in the key of F. Matter of fact, let's change screen so you can see this. So that's our first melody. That's what I'm calling the chorus. This time I'm going to play it again. I'm gonna play it in the key for the alto saxophone, and then I'm gonna play it again in the soprano and tenor saxophone. Alto, first melody. All right, now in the key of F for tenor and soprano. All right, so now that you have the notes, let's give a demonstration of what it sounds like with the music. One more time. All right, so now you have the melody for the song. Now the next portion of the song goes into what I'm calling like a bridge, but it's my connection tool from the main thought to taking you back to the main thought again, or taking you further where I want to go and express what I want to express. On alto saxophone, here's what that second part of that melody looks like. Now that little piece where I deviated, sometimes I go to the E, sometimes I go to the C. So that's you can use that different ways. And then it goes like this. All right, now for tenor saxophones and soprano, we have now you may notice Now you may notice sometimes I deviate in that melody a little bit. So keep in mind it's my song, stuff slips out, and in smooth jazz and in gospel it's not classical. You can deviate and it's okay. So now I'm gonna demonstrate for you that second half of the chorus. Now that we have the melody understood, let's move on to the next phase of what can we do with this melody. How can we use some of the tools that maybe we started learning in the last course as well. So here we go. Let's go to the next chapter.